Maeby's first road trip.
Ready for the beach for the day, and we decided to bring her with us. She's never been in the car more than like 10 minutes, so she's still trying to figure it out. We stopped so she could have a little drink and go to the bathroom. Hello from Morro Bay. Jeff and Kristen here, and we had to get out of town. It was a long week, stressful. I was training, other life events, keeping us kind of high stress.
And it's hot.
So we decided this Sunday we were just gonna get up, go to Morro Bay, and hang out here for the day. It's close enough. It was a 2.5 hour drive, so it's actually pretty easy to just hop in the car and come here, have lunch, soak up some ocean air.
Yeah, which is pretty much what we did. We ate
Beach burger,
which is pretty good. Had some drinks, hung out, drove out to the Rock, which this guy didn't know that you did.
Yeah, you can see that.
So we drove out there and hung out at the beach.
It should be behind me right now, but you can't see it. And it was Maeby's first trip to the beach. We brought her along with us, and she had a great time. And wasn't real sure about the tide, but she was a really good traveler. She was a good walking up and down the street dog.
We're not traveling much. She did really good.
She did a really good job, and she made a lot of friends here. She
very popular.
Very popular. She got stopped and said hello to quite a few times. We're gonna walk around a little bit more and then back to Fresno and start up another week. But thanks for watching. See you guys later. We just got home about 5 minutes ago. I'm not even done unpacking our bags, and here is my little doggy. Already in bed. She is tuckered out. You know, long day, huh? Long drive. made friends at the beach. He walked all over Morro Bay, and we drove all the way home. And we even had a little car sick. That was Maybe's longest trip in the car ever, and she did a really good job. She made a ton of friends. People stopped and wanted to pet her. This little girl came up and wanted to give her hugs. So she had a great time. It's been fun, but she'd be asleep right now if I wasn't standing here talking. And she doesn't really like cameras being pointed at her, so there's that too. But she's ready for night-night. You were. Good girl, Maeby.